Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous video, we combined arrays using Compose in Power Automate. In this video, we will be filtering arrays in Power Automate. Let's get started. We will go to Power Automate, create an instant cloud flow, use manually trigger a flow and name it. We will be filtering a person's interest based on its interest level. We will create an input parameter here and name it as JSON input. Now we will use parse JSON action and use the input parameter and upload the JSON object here. Now we will use another action here, which is filter array, and we will be filtering based on the person's interest. If it is high, then we will filter it. Now we will use post message in a chat or channel action and specify the content of the message. In the message, we will write an interest of the person is and choose the value from dynamic content. We will choose the output of filter array action. It automatically places this inside the for each loop because it is an array of objects. Now we will continue for saving and testing this flow. Our flow ran successfully and we have received the desired output and it is filtered based on the interest, which is high. And that's it. In the next video, we will learn to select arrays using data operations in Power Automate. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.